Go. Now I'm cooking curry shrimp today. Um, this is my shrimp. These little black things on it are pimento. beat them and ground them into my little ground here, like the Jamaican mortar where we make coffee on the Blue Mountain and etc. etc. The best coffee. And this is my Irish potatoes. I'm gonna use some Irish half cooked to make up this. This is my onion with garlic. Gonna share half with the shrimp. I'm cooking a piece of beef also there. The rest will go into it. I'm gonna make curry shrimp. This is the curry. I'm using Better Park today, curry powder. I'm using coconut milk to get a little more moisture mixed into my shrimp. And this is the coconut milk. A little salt here. I have the good quality salt, not too salt. Cool running seasoning. I like natural seasoning, not too much of powdering, but garlic, onion, thyme, etc. etc. So that is that. This is good enough for the seasoning. And I'm going to peel my Irish to bring up the, not the amount really, but a slice potato, onion and meat, beef, especially beef, pork, chicken, not mashed out, is really nice. And the makeup also, I like the Irish that way. So this is my Irish, and you can make it like that. Now I prepared my curry shrimp and everything. This is the curry, burnt curry, because it is good to burn your curry, not to get any belly hurt. Burn the curry. Curry is burnt. I'm gonna put some coconut milk now to use into the shrimp to get the taste. I won't use no tomato to take away the shrimp taste. Now it is nice and beautiful with the coconut milk. I'm gonna add now my seasoned. I strip off everything, all the shells, and it doesn't have any head, so it's just meat, shrimp. Here, there it goes. And I give it a little bit more pressure now to bring it up to cooking, and it will soon see the result in no time. When it is gone, cook more. I'll add partially my Irish, not to let them break up like in slices, but just nice and tender. That's it for now. And the beef here is also simmering down. It's a sirloin steak. I'm also doing sirloin steak here. Um, Here today is Thanksgiving Day in Canada. We're gonna eat and full and relax, watch television and sports. Yeah, I'm a sportsman also. So the beef is going down nicely, and yeah. Now my beef is almost there. It's, it's sirloin steak, so it's not hard to cook. It's a young cow or maybe a bull, whatever. And its milk is going down with the seasoning there, almost there. Now I'm gonna add my already sliced Irish to it, because by the time it reaches partial cook, they won't break up. You can take them up in slices and pieces, so it won't be gravy in the meat. It will just be cooked partial, and that is it for the beef. The other half, of course, then would go to Mr. This guy here. I know this guy is the shrimp. Oh boy, it's really smelling nice. So you had here the made of Irish with your shrimp. A little more turn, the curry flavor is there. Wow. Look at it, guys. Yeah, look at it, guys. Wow. There you go. All right. I'm ready. Now, finish up here. The beef is ready. Sirloin is nicely. Little brown is in there too. Wow, look at the Irish them now, you see? As I was saying earlier, they're not broken up. You can take them as a slice, but they are cooked enough with the sirloin steak there. That is ready. You can serve with this also, but I will just serve the one this one here, the chicken, not the chicken, the shrimp with, so this is the shrimp. Look at that. You can have your Irish right here with it. Like, share, and subscribe. And it is cooked, not too shrimp. You can't, if you cook it too much, you're gonna become tough again. You're gonna cook it just gradually where it needed to cook. It doesn't take long. This is a nice curry brown. It won't hurt your belly. And I'm gonna have a little bit of my wife's cooked rice already. You can have it rice and peas, or I would like this with white rice, even though it's starch. But anyway, just here. You're done. You're good. So that you can add bread or white rice if you want, whatever. That's you. You get some drink. Thank you for watching. I feel like I would do something today. So this is the steak. Add a piece of steak, sirloin you can. Uh, this is the sirloin steak. If you want to add it around here. And it have also its own Irish that is not broken. It's gravy a little bit more colorful because it is browning that we use back home. There it is. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel of Lee's Family Television. Love you. God bless you. Thanks.